Trucks are essential to modern life, and the technology driving them is advancing rapidly. In this video, we showcase some of the most impressive truck innovations, from smart gadgets to advanced safety systems. These cutting-edge developments are designed to make driving safer, more efficient, and more intelligent. Join us as we explore groundbreaking technologies that are transforming the trucking industry and shaping the future of transportation. The Makinex powered hand truck is a compact and practical lifting solution designed to make demanding tasks easier. Built with a 12-volt, 25-amp linear actuator and an 18-volt lithium battery, it enables one person to safely lift and transport loads weighing up to 309 pounds. A single charge typically provides around 50 lift cycles. Its fold-flat design and easy maneuverability allow quick setup and transport. Offering a convenient alternative to forklifts and tailgates, it is especially useful for tight spaces and environments that require frequent daily lifting operations. Wesob's trailer and body systems reflect the experience of a company that understands the demands of life on the road. Constructed with high-strength hot-dip galvanized steel, their frames are built for durability and long-term performance. The optional double-deck configuration provides a second loading level capable of supporting up to 4 tons. Modular sidewalls, reinforced forklift-ready floors, and a multi-point load securing system with safety locks enhance both efficiency and protection. Their emphasis on reducing downtime and improving load management makes these systems a practical and reliable transport solution. The DAF rock-free function is an intelligent off-road assistance feature available on the latest XDC and XFC construction trucks. When the vehicle becomes stuck or loses traction, the system gently rocks the truck back and forth by automatically controlling drive direction through the gearbox and off-road software. This innovative feature provides added confidence on construction sites, muddy surfaces, and snow-covered roads. By helping drivers regain traction without external assistance, rock-free reduces delays and offers a practical solution when recovery vehicles are not immediately available. The Kögel eCool refrigerated trailer combines sustainable technology with practical transport performance. Its fully electric cooling system is powered by a recuperation axle and can be complemented with optional rooftop solar panels, enabling quiet operation with no direct CO2 emissions. Offering up to 10 hours of autonomous electric cooling, it is well suited for modern haulage demands. Lightweight insulation panels help reduce overall weight and improve fuel efficiency. Designed with operating costs, driver comfort, and environmental responsibility in mind, the eCool represents a forward-thinking solution for temperature-controlled transport. The Libner Openbox C Plus curtain sider offers exceptional versatility for operators handling a wide variety of cargo. Its innovative sliding aluminum panels can be opened from the front, rear, or sides in less than 30 seconds, significantly reducing loading and unloading times. Equipped with container twist locks for both 20 and 40-foot units, it adapts easily to different transport needs. A durable hardwood floor, high-strength steel chassis, and payload capacity of approximately 28 tons in standard specification ensure dependable performance. Combining the advantages of a flatbed and curtain sider, its practical design reflects the needs of drivers focused on efficiency and productivity. The Spojkar MAX-XL is a robust heavy-haul trailer designed for operators who prioritize performance and reliability. Built with a reinforced high-strength steel frame, multi-axle support, and an ultra-low deck height, it simplifies the transport of oversized equipment. Its extendable deck and modular stake pockets provide the flexibility needed for a variety of load types. Durable hydraulics and user-friendly controls help minimize maintenance and reduce downtime. Combining strength, practicality, and versatility, the MAX-XL is engineered to keep demanding transport operations running efficiently and consistently. The Stoneridge Side Eye system combines advanced radar and camera technology to enhance truck safety during turns and low-speed maneuvers. With a detection area of approximately 3 by 12 meters and response times of around 300 milliseconds, it quickly identifies pedestrians and cyclists in blind spots. Drivers receive immediate visual notifications through a 7-inch monitor along with audible warnings. Engineered for demanding environments, the system operates in temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius and meets IP69K protection standards. Side Eye delivers a practical and dependable upgrade for everyday road safety. The Schmitz Cargobull EcoPack adds practical efficiency to the company's aerodynamic trailer range. More than just a storage compartment for spare wheels and equipment, the box is designed to improve airflow and reduce fuel consumption by up to 3%. Lightweight and easy to access, it integrates seamlessly into the trailer's aerodynamic design. Combined with built-in telematics and LED lighting, the EcoPack delivers thoughtful features that help lower operating costs while simplifying everyday transport tasks. The Smart Truck UnderTray system is an innovative aerodynamic solution created to improve efficiency in everyday trucking operations. By optimizing airflow beneath the trailer, it reduces drag while helping keep brakes and tires cooler, contributing to longer component life. According to the manufacturer, the UT1 model can provide fuel savings of approximately 5.5%, while the complete UT6 system may deliver savings exceeding 10%. Lightweight, durable, and quick to install, the UnderTray system offers fleets a practical way to lower operating costs and meet evolving industry regulations. The Oricom TPS10 tire pressure monitoring system is a practical upgrade designed to provide added confidence during long journeys. Its solar-powered LCD display delivers real-time pressure and temperature readings for up to 10 tires, making it ideal for truck and trailer combinations. External sensors with IPX7 weather resistance ensure reliable operation in demanding conditions. Automatic audio and visual alerts warn drivers of high or low pressure issues, while optional repeaters support longer vehicle setups. Combining safety, convenience, and intelligent design, the TPS10 is well suited for everyday transport operations. The Highway Hammocks truck Snoozer is a practical driver-focused innovation that turns a standard day cab into a quick and comfortable resting space. Designed by a former truck driver, it installs across the cab door tops in under 10 seconds, creating a full-length hammock that can support up to 187 kilograms. Made from durable synthetic canvas, it is built for repeated use and easy setup in demanding conditions. This simple yet effective design gives drivers a much-needed alternative to sleeping in cramped seats, improving rest quality during long hauls. Overall, it is a smart, sturdy, and highly practical solution for road fatigue. The SAF Holland Tire Pilot Plus is an intelligent tire pressure management system designed to keep trailer tires consistently at optimal pressure without manual intervention. It automatically inflates underinflated tires and releases excess pressure from overinflated ones, ensuring balanced pressure across all wheels. This helps improve fuel efficiency, reduce tire wear, and enhance overall road safety. Built with durable stainless steel braided hoses and easy knurled hand-tight fittings, the system is engineered for reliability and simple installation. A smart warning light activates only when there is a genuine pressure drop of around 20 psi, minimizing false alerts for drivers. With retrofit compatibility and a projected return on investment in under a year for fleets, it delivers both efficiency and long-term cost savings. XL specialized trailers are designed for heavy hauling with a strong focus on practicality, strength, and real-world job site needs. Their lineup includes models capable of carrying up to 170,000 pounds concentrated in 10 feet, within a 13-axle configuration, along with low-deck mini-deck options featuring deck heights as low as 14 inches. Many trailers offer extendable decks ranging from 28 to 49 feet, providing added flexibility for oversized loads. Hydraulic detachable goosenecks and rugged T1 80,000 psi steel frames ensure durability and easy operation under extreme conditions. Whether transporting wind turbine blades or 100,000-pound machinery, XL specialized trailers deliver safer handling, improved efficiency, and dependable performance for demanding heavy transport tasks.